persistent rain here. Elsewhere, it's breezy, quite a gusty westerly wind, but in the sunshine, highs around 22 degrees in London and just some scattered showers up towards the north and the west. Most of the showers easing overnight and the winds easing as well, so a dry night with clear spells for many. We do keep showers going towards the northwest, and we've got some rain just creeping in towards the southwest by the end of the night. Overnight lows around 9 to 12 degrees for most of us. Let's take a closer look at that rain for Friday then. So for Cornwall, Devon, the Isles of Scilly, it will be a rather wet start tomorrow morning, but the winds are noticeably lighter, and you'll notice that too across Wales. But the skies, you can see, clouding over, so cloudier and wetter start towards the southwest. Across Northern Ireland here, well, we've got some bright skies, and it's not too bad a start to the day. For Scotland too, it's still a little bit on the breezy side, but some sunny spells and just perhaps a few scattered showers around. You'll notice though still some heavier rain up towards the Shetland Isles, still not looking quite so good here. Further south we go across England, we have got a few showers dotted around, nothing too much to worry about. And you'll notice some bright skies just until we reach the Midlands, East Anglia, and then the skies start clouding over. So if you are off to Ascot tomorrow, a very different story. Rain rolling in during the afternoon, and it does look rather wet on Saturday as well. So today, Ladies' Day, probably the best one. Now let's take a look at what happens through Friday then. You can see this rain will creep its way in across southern parts of England and Wales, getting as far north as, say, the M4 corridor. Most of the rain should be light and patchy, maybe a little bit heavier through the channel. To the north of that, though, light winds, bright spells of sunshine, just a few showers. It's not too bad a day. But it's not looking good this weekend. The Met Office is a little bit concerned about some heavy rain, and you can see why. This is how it's looking at Saturday. At the moment, for Western England and Wales in particular, we could see as much as 20 to 30 millimetres of rain, maybe more in places. So an inch or two of rain is possible. So for southern parts, it looks as though we'll get the rain on Saturday, but right across the UK on Sunday, with low pressure moving in, it could be a rather windy day with showers or longer spells of rain pretty much anywhere. So, well, it looks wet this weekend. Hopefully next week looks a